Hey you guys, I'm back to the video. I was gonna do a dope video for you guys today. The one I promised y'all guys yesterday. I don't remember what that was, but anyway, most unfortunate, ABC. I did ABCs on my last video, and then Assault Core went back to 3. But anyway, that we can hit myself. Let's get down to the Forbidden Limit list. I've already seen it. No surprises. Firewall Dragon banned. We all knew that was gonna happen. Some of us knew it was gonna happen. This ban list. I knew that it was going to get ban list because they put it in the Megatans, and they wanted to sell the Megatans. So I knew it wasn't going to get banned last ban list, but I knew that they were going to do it this list because now they're done selling it and they want to promote new meta. Whatever the new set is, I don't remember what it is and when it's coming out, but there's a set coming out soon. Armageddon Night limited. Okay. This doesn't change the fact that Dark Warriors are still really busted. The Dark Warrior engine is still really busted. Because Vision Hero Bion is still a thing, and that's what people are understanding. I've had conversations with people on Duelingbook, and yes, people don't understand that Vision Hero Bion is a thing. So Vision Hero Bion makes it pretty good. It makes up for the Armageddon Nights that we lost. We all just play those instead because they do the same thing. They just don't dump as much, but I mean, you can always Vision Hero Bion, dump malicious, banish malicious, summon malicious, ISO, send a void quips, summon Armageddon Night, dump a card, and then go up in that. The same malicious, semi limited, okay. I mean, it kind of hurts, but not really. Unlimited. Assault Core. How's the chances? Like, oh, they saw the mistake. It wasn't a mistake. It wasn't a mistake. They did it on purpose. They hit Assault Core because they wanted to sell Firewall, but they wanted to hit the FTK, so they hit the Assault Core. It's obvious what they did. To everybody, to no one except for me, because I don't see the game in rainbow colored glasses where Konami actually gives a fuck about people. They don't. Konami doesn't give a fuck about you, for me. They don't give a fuck about the game. They care about one thing, and that's making money. Because they're a fucking company. Get the fuck over it. The balance isn't about making the game fair. It's not about balancing the game or whatever. Because if it was, then Firewall Dragon would have been banned a long time ago. And it's amazing how much excuses people make about it, too. It's ridiculous. Cosmo Dark Destroyer. Back at 3, we knew that was going to happen. No one cares. And then Call by the Grave. I don't know. Call by the Grave is one thing I don't understand on this list. Why semi-limit it and then bring it back to 3 next list? 2 months later. 2 months from now, it's going to go back down to 2 or something. But I'm happy about Call by the Grave back at 3. It's very helpful to hit the hand trap. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, note you're taking catch below. I'll catch you guys later. It's Jinzo. Signing out. Bye.